guys, when you're working on solving equations, there's a couple things to keep in mind. And the first thing is that you have to always make sure both of your expressions are equal to each other. So whatever I do to one side, I'm going to have to do to the other. And here's what I mean. Looking at this equation, it says solve for x, check your solution. You guys can probably do this in your head. Like, my guess is that you guys can tell me, oh, that's 7, x is 7. It's super something that happens in your brain intuitively, but I have to show you the math teacher way so that when it gets more complicated, you can be able to do any problem that your teacher throws at you. And here's what I mean. If I want to get x all by itself, my goal is to have x equals some number. We already know it's 7. I'm going to have to get rid of that plus 5. And mathematically, the way I do that, keeping both expressions equal, is by subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. If I subtract 5 here, I'll have x and then equals 7. That's what your brain did without you even knowing it. It's pretty cool. Again, the most important thing is to make sure whatever you do to one expression, one side of the equals, you also do to the other side. Okay, so x is equal to 7, and the way you check your work is by substituting 7 back into that original problem and making sure that when I do 7 plus 5, I do indeed get the answer 12. All right.